Hello, this is DMV Test Buddy again. When passing, drivers must be especially careful and assess the intentions of other road users. The safety of the driver and other drivers on the road depends on this. Let's see how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. What should the driver of the orange car do if he or she is about to pass? Option A, yield to the yellow car. Option B, give the yellow car the right of way. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. First, it's important to describe what we see in the diagram. The image shows a traffic situation. Ahead is a yellow car with its left turn signal on, it's about to pass or turn left. Behind it is an orange car moving in the same direction. Behind it is a blue car about to pass. The yellow car has already signaled a left turn, therefore, it has priority for its maneuver. Overtaking it at this point is prohibited. According to Section 14.2 of the traffic regulations, overtaking is prohibited if the vehicle in front has signaled a left turn. If the orange car begins to overtake, it will enter the oncoming lane. It will create a dangerous situation, as the yellow car may begin to overtake or turn left. A collision may occur. The correct actions for the driver of the orange car are: slow down. Stay behind the yellow car. Wait until the yellow car has completed its overtaking or turn. Only then ensure that the oncoming lane is clear and it is safe to overtake. The driver of the orange car must not begin to overtake until the vehicle in front, yellow, has signaled a left turn. He must wait for the yellow car to complete its maneuver. So, confess, who among you got the quick, correct answer? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.